Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome to Blockbeat Buzz. Today we're diving into the world of MetaMask, the go-to wallet for managing your Ethereum-based assets. This nifty tool is more than just a wallet. It's a bridge that connects you to the Ethereum blockchain and the myriad of decentralized applications, or dApps, that reside within it. So whether you're buying, selling, or trading Ethereum-based assets, MetaMask has got you covered. Think of MetaMask as your gateway to the world of decentralized finance and the broader Ethereum ecosystem. Now you might wonder how to use MetaMask. It's pretty straightforward. First, let's set up your MetaMask wallet. Start by downloading the MetaMask extension for your browser, or the app for your mobile device. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Remember to securely store your seed phrase. It's your only way to recover your wallet if needed. Once your wallet is set up, you're ready to store Ethereum-based assets. You can add Ether, ERC20 tokens, or any other asset supported by the Ethereum blockchain. But MetaMask is more than just a wallet. It's your passport to the Ethereum ecosystem. You can use it to connect to decentralized applications, or dApps. Whether it's a decentralized exchange, a lending platform, or a game, MetaMask enables you to interact directly and securely. Simply authorize transactions with a click. With these steps, you have your MetaMask wallet ready to interact with your favorite DeFi protocols. MetaMask is not just a wallet, it's a feature-packed platform that makes managing your crypto assets a breeze. Let's delve into the key attributes that set MetaMask apart. First off, the intuitive interface. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced hand, MetaMask's user-friendly design makes navigation a cinch. The wallet smoothly guides you through the process of managing your Ethereum-based assets and interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps. Next up, let's talk security. MetaMask has got your back when it comes to safeguarding your digital wealth. The wallet incorporates robust security mechanisms like seed phrase backup and password protection. Remember, your seed phrase is your lifeline in the crypto world, and MetaMask ensures it's kept under wraps. Last but not least, MetaMask's versatility. With MetaMask, you're not tied down to a single device. The wallet supports both desktop and mobile platforms, allowing you to manage your assets on the go. Whether you're at home on your computer or out and about with your smartphone, MetaMask is right there with you. But what truly makes MetaMask stand out is its compatibility with a vast array of dApps. From decentralized exchanges to gaming platforms, MetaMask serves as your passport to the exciting world of Ethereum-based applications. In essence, MetaMask empowers users to take control of their finances and participate in the decentralized revolution. To enhance your MetaMask experience, we've got some tips for you. First and foremost, it's crucial to keep your seed phrase safe. This set of words is your only backup if you lose access to your wallet. Store it offline, away from prying eyes, and never share it. Not even with MetaMask support, they will never ask for it. Secondly, always double-check the website address when you're connecting your MetaMask wallet. Scammers often create websites that look identical to popular dApps, aiming to trick you into revealing your private key or seed phrase. And finally, stay updated. MetaMask is constantly evolving with new features and enhancements being rolled out regularly. Keeping your MetaMask wallet updated not only gives you access to these new features, but also ensures you're protected with the latest security measures. Remember, the safety of your assets is as important as their management, so always stay vigilant. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using MetaMask. We've delved into what MetaMask is, a cryptocurrency wallet that bridges the gap between you and the Ethereum blockchain. We've walked through how to use MetaMask, from setting it up to connecting with decentralized applications. We've also highlighted its key features, such as an intuitive interface, robust security measures, and compatibility with both desktop and mobile platforms. And of course, we've shared some crucial tips to help you use MetaMask effectively, like keeping your seed phrase secure and staying updated with the latest MetaMask updates. Remember, MetaMask is more than just a wallet. It's your gateway to the world of decentralized finance and the broader Ethereum ecosystem. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights. Until next time, this is Blockbeat Buzz, signing off.